Now let us start solving problem number 27. This is the function related to single variable. So f of x is equal to x cube plus 1. Then equate f dash, find f dash of x and equate it to 0, 3x square. So now f dash of x will be equal to 0. So 3x square will be equal to 0. That means x will be 0. Then find f double dash of x. F double dash of x will be 6x. If I substitute 0, it will be 0. So it is equal to 0. If f double dash of x, you are getting it as 0. I have substituted at x equal to 0. If it is getting equal to 0, then we call it as saddle point or point of contrafracture or point of inflection. So option D will be the correct answer for the given problem. Problem number 28. If f of x is equal to what they are saying, x square e raised to power minus x, then the maximum occurs at, first find f dash of x. F dash of x will be do u into v, u into minus e raised to power minus ex plus e raised to power minus x into 2x. That is f dash of x, and equate f dash of x to 0. So minus x square e raised to power x minus x e raised to power minus x plus e raised to power minus x into 2x equal to 0. E raised to power minus x is common, then minus x square plus 2x equal to 0. One thing is e raised to power minus x equal to 0, that is one thing, and the other thing is minus x square plus 2x equal to 0. Then x, if I take common, that will be minus x plus 2 equal to 0. So the points are x equal to 0 comma 2. Okay, now find f double dash of x. F double dash of x will be, first again u by v, u into v here, again u into v here. If not, you just do for this, it will be easy. So e raised to power minus ax, I will keep minus x, I will keep like that only. Then differentiate this, minus 2x plus 2. Then I will keep this thing like that only, minus x square plus 2x, and that will be minus e raised to power minus x. Now if I substitute 0, what will happen? I am solving here. Okay, if I substitute 0, what will happen? Yep, double dash of 0 will be e raised to power 0, 0. That will be 1, 0 plus 2, 2 plus 2 plus whatever it may be, 2 plus some value that is greater than 0. If you are getting greater than 0, that means minimum at x equal to 0. But they are asking maximum occurs at. So substitute at 2. F dash of 2 will be, if I substitute 2 e raised to power 2, e raised to power 2 into 4 minus 8 plus 2. You just check it out. And I am getting it as minus 2 e raised to power minus 2, which is less than 0. Less than 0 means maximum at x equal to 2. So maximum at x equal to 2. 2 will be the correct answer for the given problem. Problem number 29. Okay. So f of x is equal to what? X square minus 4 whole square. Then where x is real number, the function has only one minima, only two minima, three maxima. So we will do, first what you have to do, find f dash of x. F dash of x will be, x square is 2x. So minus, but in place of x there is x square minus 4. Again do differentiation, that will be 2x. So 4x into x square minus 4. Now equate it to 0. 4x into x square minus 4 equal to 0. 4x equal to 0 and x square minus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to 0 is 1 point and other points are 2 comma minus 2. Okay, why? Because x square equal to 4, x will be root over 4 plus or minus 2. Plus 2 is one root, minus 2 is other root. So find f double dash of x. F double dash of x will be, I will do for this. Okay, f double dash of x, do u into v. So I am getting it as 12x square minus 16. So at 0, f double dash at 0, what I will get? Minus 16, less than 0. That means maximum at x equal to 0. Then f double dash of 2. F double dash of 2 will become what? I am getting it as 32, which is less than greater than 0. Then minimum at x equal to 2, and f double dash of minus 2. F double dash of minus 2 is again greater than 0. Okay, again 32, that will be greater than 0. So you will get again minimum at x equal to minus 2. So what I can tell, 2 minimum and 1 maxima. 2 minimum and 1 maxima. So what are the options given? Only one minimum? Is it? No, you have two minimums. Only two minimum? Yes. 3 maxima or 3 minima. This will be the good option to choose because you have two minima. Only two minima. You have maxima also, but you have two minima. Then problem number 30. Consider f of x is equal to x square minus 2. X square minus x minus 2. The maximum value of the function. Maximum value will be at 4. So substitute 4. F of 4 is equal to 4a square minus 4 minus 2. 16 minus 6. 10 will be the maximum value. So you are going to substitute 10 as the answer. 16 plus 4. This is plus actually. 10. 10 is correct answer. Then problem number 31. Problem number 31, what do you have got? e raised to power y is equal to x raised to power 1 by x. Then y is equal to, I can write it as ln of x whole raised to power 1 by x. Then y will become 1 by x ln of x. That will be very much fine, so that we can do differentiation easily. So this will be our function x comma y. Suppose this will be our one function in one variable. This is our function in one variable. Suppose function f of x is equal to y is equal to 1 by x ln of x. Then do f dash of x. F dash of x will be 1 by x into 1 by x plus ln of x into, I am doing differentiation of u into v. Okay, ln of x into this will be minus 1 by x square. Okay, then what we will get, 1 by x square minus 1 by x square into ln of x. Then what we will do, this equation we should equate it to 0. If I equate it to 0, 1 by x minus 1 by x square ln of x equal to 0. So what I will get, 1 minus ln of x, because 1 by x square I will take common and send that side, that will become 0. So if I do, I will get ln of x equal to 1. X equal to e raised to power 1, that is x equal to e. I am getting x equal to e. If I get x equal to e, then find f double dash of x. So how will you find f double dash of x? This is also problem number 31 only. So f double dash of x will be 1 by, initially it was f dash of x was 1 by x square minus 1 by x square into ln of x. Then f double dash of x will be minus 2 by x cube. You just do differentiation, x power minus 2 differentiation will be minus 2 by x cube minus u into v here, 1 by x square into ln of x is 1 by x. Keep ln of x like that only. This will be minus 2 by x cube. Now after getting this value, you can just do some simplification. Then that will be 1 by x cube minus 2 ln of x by x cube. Then I can write it as minus 3 by x cube plus 2 ln of x by x cube. Okay. So after doing this thing, at x equal to e, if I substitute f double dash of x, if I substitute x equal to e, at x equal to e, f double dash at x equal to e, I will get minus 3 by e cube plus 2 into ln of e by e cube. Ln of e is e. Again this will cancel complete. That will be the that value will be 1. So I am getting it as minus 1 by e cube. Okay, minus 1 by e cube, which is less than 0. That means what I can say, maximum at x equal to e. Are you getting maximum at x equal to e?